Welcome back, anglers. Today we're on the beautiful Olt River in Romania, testing two of the most popular feeder fishing techniques for catching Crucian carp, the classic feeder and the method feeder. We've got 2 rods, 2 rigs, and 1 goal to find out which method brings in more fish. Let's dive in. The setup. On the right side, we've got the classic feeder rig, a cage feeder loaded with a mix of ground bait and maggots. It's a 12-foot medium feeder rod and a 4,000 size reel, spooled with 0.20 millimeter mono. This rig is all about finesse. A longer hook length, usually 50 to 70 centimeters, and a small size 14 hook baited with a single maggot or a piece of worm. Perfect for shy-biting Crucians. On the left, we've got the method feeder. This one's a 13-foot method feeder rod with a 4,000 size reel and 0.25 millimeter line. The rig is a flat inline method feeder with a short 10 centimeter hook length and a mini boilie. This setup is more aggressive. It's designed to deliver a compact pile of bait right next to the hook. Let's see how they perform. We're fishing a slow-moving stretch of the Olt River, known for its healthy population of Crucians. The water's about 6 meters deep, with a silty bottom and scattered weed beds, ideal for both feeder styles. It's a mild November morning, around 13 degrees Celsius, with overcast skies. Perfect conditions for Crucians to be feeding confidently. The classic feeder is placed at a shorter distance, while the method feeder is out in open water. There we go! That's a solid bite on the method rod. Looks like the wafter did the trick. Groundbait mix is key, but to level up the playing field, I am using the same mix for both setups: cereal and high-protein mix.
Sembra che non avrà una dalla firma.
Bite on the classic feeder. A gentle tap tap, and we're in. Nice little Crucian. That's one for the classic feeder. After an hour, here's the score. Classic feeder, 3 Crucians. Method feeder, 2. The classic rig is edging ahead, but the method feeder is catching up. The method feeder seems to attract slightly bigger fish, but fewer bites overall. Interestingly, the method feeder caught slightly bigger fish on average, but the classic feeder brought more bites overall. So which one's better? It depends. If you want quantity and enjoy watching delicate bites, go classic. If you're after bigger fish and like a more aggressive approach, go method. Thanks for joining me on the Olt River today. If you enjoyed this head-to-head, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which feeder do you prefer? Tight lines, and see you on the bank.